This is a fixed spherical bearing. We have a bottom component which has this concave shaped machined inside it. Then there is lining of this low friction material. It could be PTFE or any other improved sliding material. Then we have the matching convex component, which is also made up of steel. But there are 2-3 different options specified in the code for this component to be. Either it could be a fine-grained fine-grained rolled steel, which has a chrome plating at its sliding interface, or this can be made up of stainless steel with a polished surface, or there is also a third option. It can be made with a special grade aluminum alloy, which has a very good sliding properties against the PTFE or sliding material. Then on top of this middle component, which is called callot, we have a flat sliding material, and then we have the top component, which locks against the bottom component directly, so that all the forces is directly transferred from superstructure to this component and from this component to the bottom component. And this way, this bearing takes the transfer of the forces from top to bottom directly, and therefore it helps in stability of this bearing by a great extent. So this bearing takes the rotation like this. It takes the vertical load and resists horizontal force in both directions. Next is a free bearing. Similar to pot, here also the shape of this component is different. And sorry, the shape of top component is different, and it is flat plate to offer free sliding in both directions. So this top component becoming a flat uh, rectangular plate, and this way it facilitates free movement in both direction.
So this is
And the
basically
bearing is
free
able to
bearing.
take rotation and transfer of vertical load.
So basically, it is free bearing.
It's a free bearing. And the third one in the basic configuration category is a guided, which you can see because of these guides introduced. It cannot move in the lateral direction. It transfers force in that. And in addition, it satisfies all the other performance parameters like vertical load, rotation, free movement in one direction.